Imagine scrolling through your favorite social media app, liking photos, and chatting with users who seem just like you, until you find out they're not human. Meta, the tech giant behind Facebook and Instagram, plans to introduce AI-generated users, fully virtual personas designed to interact with real people. Picture this: chatting with Alex, an AI travel expert helping you book your dream vacation, or debating with Sam, an AI movie buff. Proponents argue these AI personas enhance user experiences, provide 24/7 assistance, and could combat loneliness. But critics say there's more to this story. Reactions to Meta's plan were mixed, with users expressing both excitement and skepticism. Critics worry about transparency. How will users differentiate AI personas from real people? Concerns about manipulation arise. Experts raise ethical concerns. Will these virtual users respect privacy? Could they spread misinformation and affect human interaction? AI-generated users could revolutionize online connections. Are you ready to share your feed with AI friends, or does it blur real connections?